And now let's talk about what truly matters to our legal experts here. Avery Friedman, civil rights attorney and law professor in Cleveland. Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor. Joining us from Vegas. We got Cleveland, we got Vegas. This is great. Thanks for joining us, fellows. Appreciate it. Let's start with what we heard there in that last excerpt from the prosecutor. If you had any doubt, wasn't it erased by what George Zimmerman said afterwards? All the lies. Let me ask you something. Richard Herman, let's start with you. Is that enough to convict somebody? That you say someone's a liar?
No, that's not enough. They have a burden of proof. The prosecution has a burden to prove beyond and to the exclusion of any reasonable doubt that George Zimmerman did not have the right to self-defense. And I must tell you both, Kate and Chris, they have utterly, completely failed in this obligation. I am shocked that it's taken the jury this long. I am shocked the judge did not dismiss murder two as a matter of law, or at least reserve on it. The summations by the government were just emotional pleas to this jury, as opposed to Amara's, which surgically showed them the law and the evidence and left them with no alternative. It must be not guilty.
In the Circuit Court of the 18th Judicial Circuit in and for Seminole County, Florida, State of Florida versus George Zimmerman. Verdict: we, the jury, find George Zimmerman not guilty. So say we all four-person.
Does either side want to poll the jury?
We would, Your Honor.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, I'm sorry. As your juror number is being called, please answer whether this is your verdict.
Juror B.